I used to be so intimidated by this property because, well, they kind of told me this whole ridge was mine. Luckily, when I moved here, we had a really wet couple springs, and I didn't really water this ridge, but now I am. Look at this, y'all. Sun is just incredible. Yes, we do have a biplane, believe it or not, out in the air. And look how far my property goes. It goes all the way down, and then you can still see right now where there's a ravine way down here, and then like a fence, and then there's like, you can even see like the buildings, the home and a shed and something else down there where people live. Well, pretty soon won't be able to see any of that. It'll all be filled in. This is already completely filled in, and this will be too, and so we won't be able to see 10th Street at all, which is pretty exciting. And I will be having a fence here pretty soon, because the guy that's supposed to be building this I don't know, fourplex over here, basically apartment complex for 4 families, he's supposed to be doing it, but I guess he ran out of money, because he just he's just like built at the ground, just like disappeared. But oh, y'all, even with the biplane, dear Lord, look at this. I talk about solar flares a lot, and I'm just going to mention that when you see a sun, you see the edges and all that, like, it has to do with the CMEs and the things that are coming off our sun. Today, look at the other rays of our sun. I believe God is giving us the codes from our sun to teach us unity consciousness, which means we're all one. We're all one. We all came from God. We're all one. We're all connected, just like the ecosystem. And because we're all one, and we need to work together. And that means the planet too. Wow. I am grounded into Mother Gaia. I'm connected to my spirit guides and ancestors. And I'm divinely protected by my Archangel Michael and all the angels in charge of me. And for just a moment. Yeah, there is one. Look at this little brave guy. And he's like, she's talking. She won't notice. My babies are coming in for a little something. I was sitting here today, and just a moment ago, and 2 white-winged doves and 2 mourning doves landed up in the tree. And then hung out a minute, and I'll be back. But I am overwhelmed by gratitude. I have a bittersweet gratitude in my life, because although I have a lot of friends and family, I have a sister I love very much. Other than that, yeah, I'm just kind of, all the people I really love are on the other side of the veil. And so when I come here, be still, my soul. Home. And for humor, God touched Adam from the Sistine Chapel. And of course, Coco Filet and some other lovely art. Oh my. And so, even if there is somebody buzzing around, it's okay. All city residents are all up in arms, and I'm going to leave that to the baby boomers. I said my piece. Oh, I think we need to take care of our homeless and stuff like that. Oh, y'all, look at that. God just loves us so much. And the only thing standing in the way, to be honest, childhood trauma, sexual trauma, and feeling not good enough. And, back in 2019, I let go of all that not good enough stuff. Let it go. Let it go. God loves you so much that He sent you this wonderful video. Oh, these wonderful, wonderful codes in this beautiful place. Just to let you know that God's in His heaven, all is right with the world, and we can slow down and just enjoy. This is the world that God has made. This is the earth that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. That's in the Bible. I wish you joy. I wish you peace. I wish you find yourself. Because really, there's somebody out there. It's just an internal journey. And if you're willing to take the journey, get off of all the things that keep you away from being you. Just being you. Because in the end, it's just a conversation we're having with the voice inside our head and the intuition in our head or in our heart. That's our soul. You're not the little me in the head that says you're not good enough. I promise you, that's what I'm here for. People like me are gifted with the abilities to help you heal holographically. By the way, I'm losing all the glass in my head from an accident from 41 years ago when I went into a car windshield. So it's hard for me to brush my hair right now. But I'm here to help you so that you can live passionately and enjoy your life. And I'm missing my bunny. Namaste, y'all. Namaste.